That's a big lump in his neck. Oh, maggots.
It's disco rice.
What?
It's disco
I've
rice.
never heard that before. That's a new one.
I'm in this group on Facebook. It's called, is that a decomp stain? And they call it disco rice. Are those little ones too on the outside?
Yeah.
Can I fill one again? Oh, look at the smell. It's
Let go. I want you to go back in there.
whenever she spit out, she blew her vein. Stop.
I didn't do nothing. I'm just here minding my own business.
Sure you are.
Playing in a turtleneck.
What is that?
That's the lining. I'm attempting to turn this inside out so I can just tie it off and the maggots will get out of there forever.
That's a lot of maggots.
That's not gonna grab it. Come on, just turn it inside out. You can do it. No, I'm not. I'm not going in there. I don't care what you say. Go away. Oh, come back here. Make sure you turn it off and hand me some. 38 maggots came out of that cute little turtle's neck. Sam, 38.
Ew.
What'd you call them?
Disco rice.
Disco rice. It's a new one for me. All right, anyway. Yeah, 38 disco rice. Oompa, oompa.